I'm Randy.
Hi, Randy. How are you doing?
Doing good.
And so what are you going to show us today?
Well, this is for the Laveo, and this is the plastic bag workaround to save money on the cartridges.
Show me what you got here.
Well, to start out, you'll need two things: a 13-gallon tall kitchen,
Okay.
and these 8-gallon medium trash bags.
Those are easy to come by.
And you can buy them at any grocery store. And this was, I think, $2.49.
Oh my gosh.
at
Okay.
Safeway for 20 bags.
Uh-huh.
It's pretty simple, really. What you do is start out, take everything apart. You take the old stuff out.
Okay.
I use the tall kitchen as the liner for the drum.
That's the 13-gallon one?
That's the 13-gallon.
Okay.
And then put that down inside. Put the flap over it.
Okay.
And I even use one of the rubber bands that come from Laveo
Okay.
to hold it in place. So once that's done, then you take your two, well, I use two.
Okay.
Why? Because I don't want to get to about there and have it split. So
Yeah.
I use two bags. Just pull them out. I put one right inside the other.
Okay.
Yeah, just find this typical stuff. You got to find the open end, right?
Yep.
Anyway, put one down inside the other. When you got that all done, I just take the two bags. Push
So you wrap them around that ring, and that ring comes with...
This comes from Laveo.
Okay.
This is what you would, that cartridge that we just looked at.
Uh-huh.
That's what comes with all the Mylar in it. Well, I just pulled the rest of the Mylar out when it was full, and I got left with this plastic ring. So I'm going to take that, I'm just going to wrap it all around.
Okay.
And like I said, I'm using two bags, so it's a little trick here. And I make sure that I have a little bit underneath here,
Sure.
so that when you're sitting on it, you know it won't slip.
Good.
That's my theory. It's not that it's happened, I don't know, but better safe than sorry.
Absolutely.
I find you can feel the two notches still.
I'm sorry. Where are those two notches?
There's these two notches in the Laveo. See, they've got them right down here and here.
Okay, let's see if I can... I'm sorry. Okay, I see the notches. Yeah.
And those are intended when you're using the standard cartridge to line up with these 2 points right here. So
Okay.
I don't think it really matters.
You just got to feel them is all.
Yeah, I don't think it really matters anymore because this isn't going to be turning or twisting or anything.
Uh-huh.
So, but I still do it just because I go ahead and line them up. Put that down on top of there. You make sure everything's underneath. Take the seat, put it on top. Go ahead and spread that out a little bit. And we use these horse pellets,
Okay.
horse bedding pellets. We bought them at Tractor Supply for $7 or $8 a bag.
Yes.
Most of the bag is at home in the garage. So anyway, we just brought this with us. We'll take a little
And those bags are like 50 pounds or something like
40.
that? Oh,
Yeah,
40 pounds?
Yeah,
Okay.
It's like $7.99.
So really reasonable.
Yeah, so I just spread some down in the bottom. Yeah, call it, there's no measurement or anything. I just
Sure.
spread some. And you're ready to go. Then once a day, you do it. What I do is I'll take this, I'll take the ring off, I'll lift the Laveo up so that it leaves everything inside. Just tie it in a big knot and take it to a dumpster.
Okay, so and since I can kind of see that, what you're taking is you're holding it across the top underneath,
Oh yeah.
and then you're unwrapping it from the ring so it can be tied.
Yeah.
Is that correct?
That's right. Let's see this. Well, I can just quit and do it.
Okay.
So I can just just like this,
Okay.
and then tie that into a big knot,
Great.
just like that, and then take the whole thing off to the trash.
Very good. Thank you so much. You know what? That really is a wonderful hack that is really
It's,
reasonable in price, huh?
I'd love to tell you it was my idea, but it wasn't.
Oh, take credit here.
I won't take credit for it.
Okay.
But it has, however, I will say it has saved us a whole bunch of money.
That's great.
And
Well,
I just empty it daily. You don't want to go any more than that. I don't think.
sure, right, right.
But other than
And
that,
if you needed to, you could, because it's not very expensive.
yeah, you could. Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, even if you needed to change it twice a day, it still wouldn't be all that bad.
Right. And is there anything else that people should know?
There's probably one other thing.
Okay.
Because you don't want to use the button and spin this anymore.
Okay. So the Laveo, normally you would push
exactly
that button,
right?
But now that you're using the garbage bags in here, what do you do instead?
Well, some people pull the fuse.
Uh-huh.
What I did, because I want to be able to easily switch back and forth.
Sure.
I just got myself a Coke bottle cap.
Oh, yeah, let's see that.
Put over the top of it, and I
Okay.
used blue painter's tape.
Uh-huh.
And I taped all
You
around
can't
it.
accidentally touch that.
But I can beat on that all I want, and it will never flush.
Oh, perfect. Okay.
But at the same time, if I wanted to, I could also just peel off a couple pieces of painter's tape and have use of the Laveo with the cartridge.
When you want to.
When I want to.
Okay.
Exactly.
Thank you, Randy.
You're very welcome. I had a good time. Thank you.
Bye-bye. To see more videos like this one, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.